Hey everybody, it is Michaelville here. In this video, I'm getting another new vehicle. Right? My last video was me getting a new vehicle. Here is that new vehicle I got. Now, it is supposed to rain today. So yeah, I don't know, it rains a lot. So, it's pretty much, usually rains almost every day. Anyway, this truck, I did a little stuff on it already. I got the 4x4 off-road on it, on both sides, you know, and then I got the flag on it. Oh, and then up front I got the winch. So yeah, anyway, right now I'm at the gas station. I'm about to head to town to go get this new car I got, and it also has a trailer, so I get a trailer too. So yeah, I'm gonna get in my truck. Oh, I did also get a toolbox and a extra tire in the back. So yeah, anyway guys, I'm gonna get in my car or truck, and then I'm gonna head to town. So yeah, see you in a little bit. Hey guys, so there's town, you can start to see it, and I can see it through the trees, the new vehicle I got. There's the car I got. And there's the trailer it's on. And this, whoever parked it probably should have parked it a little better. I'm gonna come up here and turn around so I can. That's all. I'm just gonna turn around right in here, so then I can also see my see it for one thing, and so I can hook the trailer to it because it is facing the other way. So. Hopefully no one minds. It's not like it's super busy up here, but you know, you never know. So, anyway guys, I'm gonna get on my truck and show you what I got. Oh guys, I got out. I also spent a little bit of time. I got the trailer hooked to my truck, so yeah. But here it is. It also has the Ville Family Racing logo on it. It was going to be used there, but you know, it's a go-kart. Like, it's not really a go-kart, so kind of messed up, I guess. But it was turned into a racing thing, and it's supposed to go really fast. Actually, it's supposed to. I don't know how fast it actually goes. It says #1, and when I bought it, it said it's supposed to go fast. So yeah, I don't know how fast it's gonna go though. And I'm gonna drive home, and then I'm gonna take it out and see how nice it is. So yeah, I'm gonna get in my truck. I'm gonna head home. So yeah, see you in a little bit. So guys, I'm just getting pulled into my house here. This trailer has to be heavy because it's towing down my truck. I can tell you guys that. And my truck's huge. I don't know why it's getting towed down so much, but I might just sell this trailer. Hey guys, I'm home though. I'm gonna get out of my truck and I'm gonna load the new car off the trailer. So see you in a little bit. Okay guys, I got the straps on. I'm on the trailer. I'm backing up now. See that? Like, this car, I guess, is heavy. This thing's gotta be heavy. But it can go fast, it looks like. Oh, I'm making some marks. I would say take it down the road. I think the street is there, so, you know. I have an idea. So you guys should know Isa. She's my friend. Well, she already went off the road. Don't get used to this thing. This thing goes fast. There we go for that. So, you guys probably remember, if you watch some of my other videos, you probably have seen Isa, my friend, and some. Okay, I missed the time. I think I'm gonna go to his house. And I don't know if he's there right now, but if he is, I'm gonna do ball outs and stuff and show him off. If he isn't, still gonna do ball outs. And when he does come home and he sees all these ball out tracks, you know, he watches my channel, he'll probably be like, huh, I don't know why there's ball out, like, and donuts in my yard. And it looks like he's here, but ball out, yeah. Do some ball outs in his driveway, do some donuts in his yard, what? If I don't go, or hit a tree. That's enough of that. Let's see how fast this thing. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, not lying. I'm going way over speed limit. Like a lot. Oh, yeah. You guys probably could tell that one. I kind of just wiped out though. Yeah. There's not that many straight roads, so it's actually not to try to get myself in trouble, but I was kind of just going like almost 80 down that, and it was going up to like 90 and stuff, but I couldn't keep going because, you know, yeah. What does it happen? Okay guys, well, I am stuck right now, so I'll come back when I'm not. Okay guys, I did get unstuck and I got back on the road. As you probably could have saw, I probably got some water damage because I went into the lake. And there was water kind of going up above, kind of on the windows and shit, so, yeah. And I cannot control this, and maybe I should just sell it. I could make some money off this if I sell it, so, you know. Hit that. I'm gonna stay on the road with this thing. I need to just go somewhere, like on a nice big, like just a nice big open area, do some stuff. Well, that just happened. Just like completely went off the road. And yeah. Let's see if I can get back on here. Nope. Oh, I'm stuck. There we go. Where it stopped on, right? Oh, I really did. I caught myself. Mostly because I'm in this thing. Well, I guess I should slow down because I can't stay on the road, and I just flipped it. Luckily, it rolled over back on its wheels. Oh, you want to go back off? Illuminators. And there's my house. Oh, that's my workshop, but that's my property. not make that time. Don't have to go too far on my neighbor's property, but you know. I actually got all three when I hit that tree. Anyway, guys, this is a nice car. I do need to get used to the speed with this.